Hello and welcome. Today's lesson is on vocabulary. How well do you know names of people's occupations? In today's lesson, we will identify the names of the people who carry out these jobs. Okay? 1. One who studies stars, planets, and the universe is an blank. Do you know the name? What do we call such a person? The name is astrophysicist. Astrophysicist. That's the name. 2. Someone who creates and designs maps is a blank. What do you think about this one? This is common, right? The name is a cartographer. Cartographer. That's the name. 3. A person who grows, sells, and arranges flowers is a blank. What do we call the person? The name is a florist. Florist. 4. A doctor who treats diseases related to the skin is a blank. Do you know this one? What do we call the doctor? The name is dermatologist. Dermatologist. That's the name of the doctor. 5. One who studies how living things interact with their environment is called blank. What do we call the person? The name is ecologist. Ecologist. 6. One who studies how diseases spread among people is an blank. What is the name? What is it called? The name is epidemiologist. That's the name. 7. A scientist who analyzes evidence to help solve crimes is a blank. What do we call such a scientist? We call him a forensic scientist. Forensic scientist. 8. One who studies rocks, minerals, and the structure of the earth is a blank. What is the name? The name we call him is a geologist. A geologist. 9. One who studies water on earth, including rivers, lakes, and underground water, is a blank. What is the name? The name is a hydrologist. A hydrologist. 10. A scientist who studies how the body fights diseases is blank. What do we call such a scientist? The name is an immunologist. Immunologist. That's the name. 11. Someone who sells fruit is called a blank. This is very common. A fruiterer. Fruiterer. 12. A scientist who studies the weather and predicts conditions is a blank. What is the name called? He is called a meteorologist. Meteorologist. 13. A doctor who operates on the brain and nervous system is a blank. What is the name called? He is called a neurosurgeon. Neurosurgeon. 14. One who studies oceans and marine life is an blank. What is the name? The name is oceanographer. Oceanographer. 15. One who studies birds and their behavior is an blank. The name is ornithologist. Ornithologist. That's the name, ornithologist. 16. A researcher who studies how medicines affect the body is a blank. What do we call such a researcher? Pharmacologist. Pharmacologist. 17. One who uses x-rays and scans to diagnose diseases is a blank. What is the name? Radiologist. Radiologist. 18. A scientist who studies poisons and their effects on living things is a blank. What do we call such a scientist? Do you know? He is called a toxicologist. Toxicologist. And the last one who repairs water pipes is a blank. This is a common name, and I think everybody should know this. Let me know your answer in the comment section. That's the end for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and watch out for the next lesson.